Assalamu alaikum viewers, and today video we will talk about Qmobile L21 power. Qmobile presenting you a special phone. This is a simple phone which can you use for SMS and call only, and also you can use this phone as a torch light, and also FM radio facility also available in this phone, so you can use FM radio facility without wearing any headphone or hand-free. So in this video we will talk about and detail about this phone. But before going to the video, request you to kindly subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. And when you press the bell icon, and this way you will get notification of every upcoming video on time from my channel GSK7. Okay friends, so let's start the video and let me unbox this phone. What do we get in first in this phone? First of all, this is a warranty card, 1 year warranty from company side. Okay, let me drop this seal. First of all, you will find L21 device in this case. Okay, you can see black color of this phone, very good looking body, also having torch light. And friend, what are the specifications of in this phone? Let me talk about this. Okay, first of all, I will say this phone has dual SIM supported, and also 1.8 LCD, and MP3 audio video player, Bluetooth, torch light, 2600 battery, internet facility also available in this phone. You can use internet facility in this phone, and also you can use internet in this 3.5mm audio jack, expandable memory, support up to 16GB. Okay friends, in this phone you can use dual SIM, and also you can use wireless FM radio in this device. Furthermore, I will say very powerful battery available in this phone, 2600. You can easily use it up to 3 and 4 days for normal use. Okay friends, let's go to the box. Let me tell you what is in this box. I will show you all accessories related to this phone. Charging adapter, you can see this on the screen. Charging adapter made for this phone. And second one, powerful battery, mentioned 2600 megahertz power. You can see in this screen. Also, this is instruction guide for using this phone. Okay friends, further I will say that hand-free is not available in this phone.